million-dollar style at a fraction of the cost. The Frederique Constant Classics Premier is a devilishly good-looking value for money watch. Ever since its first collection, introduced in 1992, Frederique Constant delivers Swiss-made watchmaking precision at attainable prices. The brand itself labels it as affordable luxury, and even after 30 plus years and many in-house movements, that still goes for everything Frederique Constant does. This Classics Premier is a prime example of that, which now comes in stunning cloud blue following last year's Salmon Dial Europe-only edition. The Classics Premier collection was introduced in 2023 and is a classically styled series of dress watches. It made its debut with a very traditional stepped dial with a cross-weave center section, applied Roman numerals and Breguet style hands. But last year the collection expanded with a slightly more modern spin on the concept. Presented as a Europe exclusive, the 2024 Classics Premier blew us away with its well-rounded mix of a very good design, a lovely salmon colored dial, solid mechanics and a very reasonable price. Now, a little over a year later, we felt it's time to revisit the collection and take a closer look at the new Cloud Blue edition and that super stylish new bracelet. When it comes to the design, the Classics Premier is nothing groundbreaking. It is, however, very well balanced and simply lovely on the wrist. The polished steel case is nice and compact at 38.5mm wide, 10.67mm in height and has a lug-to-lug of 43.5mm. To be honest, this is pretty much spot on for virtually everyone. The top sapphire crystal follows the profile of the case and bezel and covers the new Cloud Blue dial. And what a dial it is! The stepped construction and contrasting textures give it tons of character. The outermost section has a grain finish and holds just the numerals for the minute track. Then comes a raised circular breast section for the minute track itself and the applied Breguet style numerals and a second railroad track. The grain center section takes a step down again and is printed with the brand's name and the fact that it is an automatic at heart. The central Breguet style hour and minute hands as well as the needle-shaped seconds hands are fully polished to tie in with the numerals. It's a tried and tested formula, but it simply looks great. Inside we find the caliber FC-310, which is a La Joux-Perret G100 automatic at heart. And as both Frederique Constant and La Joux-Perret are part of the Citizen Group, the connection between the two should be no surprise. It also makes perfect sense to opt for such an outsourced movement instead of a full in-house one to keep prices sensible. And in all fairness, the price is still more than sensible. The movement itself runs at a rate of 28,800 VPH and has a very steady power reserve of 68 hours in total. The finishing is very decent with blued screws, Geneva stripes and a rose gold plated central rotor. A nice finishing touch is the fact the engravings on the make and model are on a ring underneath the sapphire crystal caseback, which helps keep the backside of the watch itself clean and very smooth. As mentioned, next to a new dial color, Frederique Constant also added a new bracelet to the Classics Premier. And the 5-link, almost Jubilee-like steel bracelet has a nice and short end link, keeping the lug-to-lug distance very much in check. The Salmon dial is now also permanently available on the bracelet, by the way, and for anyone who has the Europe-only edition from 2024, which comes on a leather strap, don't worry. Frederique Constant has promised the bracelet will be available on its own later in the year. The price for this rather dashing Classics Premier by Frederique Constant is €2,095, and both the Cloud Blue and the Salmon dial are now added to the permanent collection. To us, the price is still very competitive, as either of the two deliver bundles of character, very solid mechanics, and now, with the new bracelet, a touch more contemporary and versatile style. That's all for now, thanks for watching, make sure to leave a like, a comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again very soon.